Flamenco is one of the most passionate art forms a person can witness. Since the 18th century, the streets of Spain have been filled with the exhilarating energy this dance evokes, and tablaos are the place to go to not only see this art but also get lost in the beauty of its dancers. When it comes to their beauty habits, flamenco dancers go for a matte skin finish. Contour and highlight are essential to also achieve this sleek look. And of course, we can't forget about the eyebrows. They need to be as thick as possible to achieve a more dramatic look. Their eyes are one of the most important parts of their beauty culture, as they should be as fierce as possible. With a sharp cat eye and a smudge under eye, it's impossible not to be hypnotized by their presence. But the star of the show is definitely the lips. And they can only be described with one specific color: red. Red not only represents passion, but also strength, bravery, and vitality. It accentuates the natural sex appeal and sassiness of the dance. The hair is also very important when it comes to flamenco. To complement the grace of the movements during the dance, women tend to pull their hair back into a slick bun and add a peineta, a traditional hair ornament used by Spanish women throughout the years. Along with it, they add some flower arrangements to accentuate the beauty and sensuality of the dance. Flamenco flowers are also part of a very romantic Spanish tradition, where sometimes men propose to their partners carrying a flower in their mouths to the sound of a flamenco song. Back when the gypsies arrived in Spain, they used to sew lunars to their dresses to ward off the evil eye, and that's why flamenco dancers wear polka dots. With every foot stamp, clapping and finger snapping, flamenco dancers have become one of the staples of Spanish culture. Along with the guitar strings that follow the spontaneity of the movements, flamenco is defined by its dancers' fierce looks. With their sharp makeup and flowy clothes, flamenco women are the definition of sensuality.